Hello students, today we are moving to the second and last part of chapter 13, India, Location, Geological Structure and Physiography part 1. In this chapter we will discuss mainly about two topics. Topic 1, Neighbors of India, and topic 2, Geological Structure. Today's first topic, Neighbors of India. India has a common land boundary with Pakistan and Afghanistan in northwest, with China, Nepal, Bhutan in northeast, and with Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. In the south, Sri Lanka and Maldives are our maritime neighbors. India and Sri Lanka are separated by Pak Strait and Gulf of Mannar. Lakshadweep Islands are located in Arabian Sea, while Andaman Nicobar Islands are located in Bay of Bengal. As you all are aware about the tsunami of 2004, our southmost point was known as Indira Point, which was submerged in 2004 tsunami. Also, few islands of Andaman Nicobar were also submerged into sea. Now coming to the total number of states. Our country India now has only 28 states since Jammu and Kashmir has been converted into union territory. The country now we are having 9 union territories with Jammu and Kashmir as one new and Ladakh as the another. Geological structure. The lithosphere, which is the rigid outermost shell of a planet, is broken up into tectonic plates. The Earth's lithosphere is composed of 7 major plates. Where the plates meet, their relative motion determines the type of boundary. It will be either convergent, divergent, or transform. The relative movement of the plates typically ranges from 0 to 100 millimeter annually. On the surface of Earth, we are having 7 major tectonic plates. They are Pacific Plate, North American Plate, South American Plate, Eurasian Plate, that is Europe and Asia, African Plate, Indo-Australian Plate and Antarctic Plate. The structure of the Earth and how tectonic plates float. The structure of Earth is formed of lithosphere and hydrosphere. The crust of the Earth, that is lithosphere, floats over the semi-liquid rocks of the asthenosphere. Due to the radioactive processes going on the interior of Earth, heat is generated. This heat tends to reach the surface of Earth by generating convectional currents. The upward pressure of heat waves breaks the upper layers of the Earth into very large pieces. These large pieces are known as lithospheric plates or tectonic plates. The high pressure and heat makes the tectonic plates float. As I told you earlier, we are having 3 types of tectonic plates. First one, divergent plate. The plates that drifted away, that is move away or separate away from each other. The second one is convergent plate. As the name says, this plates, that is two plates, the type of plates that come closer together. Third one is the transform plates. When two plates slide out against each other, they are called transform plates. This transform plate, you can consider how the mountains are formed because of transform plates. Effect of the movement of plates. What will happen because of the movement of this tectonic plates? Due to the movements of these plates over millions and millions of years, the shape of landform as well as their location have changed. The process of divergence is responsible for all the tectonic and volcanic activities of the earth. Wherever these drifting plates have collided with one another, resulted into mountain building process or formation of mountains. Wherever these plates drift away, fissures, cracks are created within landforms and oceans. Moreover, the continents situated along these fissures also drift continuously. Similarly, convergence or collision of these plates with one another has resulted into formation of mountains. Gondwana land. The name seems funny for you? Millions of years ago, there was a huge area of land known as Gondwana land. India was part of this vast and ancient landmass. This large landmass consisted of the present South America, Africa, Australia, and Antarctica. Over a period of time, the Indo-Australian plate started drifting gradually towards north. It is so believed that this plate collided with the large European plate about 5 crore years ago. Due to the collision between Indo-Australian plate and the European plate, the Himalayan mountain system formed out of Tethys Sea. The physiography of India is diversified. A large diversity is seen in Indian subcontinent. Lofty mountain ranges are seen in the north. Many plateaus, summits, and passes, mountain passes, are seen within them. Rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra flow in the northern plains. They brought alluvium and deposits on the plain. The two edges in the form of ghats on the two sides of the plateau and coastal plains on eastern and western margins are situated. Thus, India holds a diversified physiography. In your worksheet, there is a question. Question number 1. In answer the following question, why is the physiography of India diversified? You can write this as the answer. These are the new terms which you have studied in this lesson. Standard time, Tropic of Cancer, Peninsula, Convergent plate, Hemisphere. Learn and write this answer into your notebook. Last, come to the worksheet. Answer the following questions. Answer in one word or one sentence. Already all the questions we have discussed. Write these answers into your notebook. Thank you.